Hope you are a voltage up and running. Yeah, open, Makshmur, that private server login. Okay, now go back to your component and close this server manager. Open that folder. Run the setup. Okay, so PSM installation will take some time. We need to wait for that. PSM is a session manager. It will record the session as well, as it will check that what we say. Two-way authentication, then after it will generate the session. No. So, basically, PSM will record the session whenever you want to connect it to the target server. So in background PSM app user will retrieve the password. PSM gateway user will retrieve the password from the world and PSM connect user will establish the session to the target mission. Okay. So this will not install the click on cancel and login with the domain user. So much. If you want to install, you can do that. Parallel, sure we'll have. We will have this server itself as the RDP license server, right? Yeah, OK means we are not configuring the RDP license server by default. We will get to licenses, OK, so that should be good enough. Yes, you can enter any username and company name. So we will go with the default location. Click on Next, again Next, yeah, Next. So why we required a PVW before installation of PSN means while installing PSN it will ask the PVW configuration. Save here. PVW configure. The PVW configuration save. So due to that reason, we need to install at least one PVW before installing the PSN. But shouldn't it prompt for the vault credentials to access that safe? Later it will prompt for the vault credentials for creating the vault environment related. So I am setting PSN in my AD like the user 1. You need to log into your component server. Yes, in component I log in as the user. One in the I extract the PSN and started the setup.